fall, y'all. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Candace, and today in my video I'm going to be showing you guys cute and affordable ways to decorate your room for fall. Fall is the time for the pumpkin spice lattes, the chai tea lattes, the autumn colors, the dark reds, the dark orange, the yellows, putting on sweaters, just everything fall is just amazing. I am here for it. Your girl is here for it. Everything that I got for this video is from the dollar store. I think there's only 2 things that I purchased for this video and for my fall decor was not from the dollar store. Everything else was legit $1. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So the first fall DIY, what I did was I took these 2 strings of garland that I purchased from the dollar store and I tied them together just so that it would be long enough to fit across the top of my headboard. Once I was finished arranging the garland on top of my headboard the way that I liked it, I went ahead and took away my old pillows that I normally had on my bed every day and replaced it with this cute pumpkin pillow that I got from TJ Maxx. It was cute, it was simple, it gave me the fall vibes, and so that was the pillow that I chose. Now I'm taking this old plaid blanket that I've had for like ever and I'm folding it in half and then I'm rolling it from top to bottom to make it look like one of those long pillows, if you guys know what I'm talking about. And then I'm just gonna place this in front of my pumpkin pillow. I'm also gonna get rid of my regular blankets that I normally have on my bed and replace it with this fall blanket that I got from Walmart for $4. My next fall DIY is my flower jugs. You'll need some fake flowers, which again I purchased from the dollar store, and these you can use mason jars, but I use these jugs just because I thought they were really cute. They were also from the dollar store, and once I've cut all the tags off the flowers, I'm just arranging them in the jugs the way that I like them. Now I'm just taking my regular decor that was on my TV stand and I'm replacing it with the fall jugs that we just made. After I've placed the jugs on the TV stand, I'm going to add these candles that I also got from the dollar store. I'm just placing them right in front of my TV. Then I also have these fake pumpkins that I purchased from the dollar store and I'm just going to place them around my decorations on the TV stand. For this next fall DIY, we are throwing it back to kindergarten and we are making glitter pine cones. You're going to need some glitter. I'm using the fall colors. You're going to need a paintbrush, some pine cones, and I'm using some Mod Podge for my glue. What you're going to do is just put the Mod Podge all over the pine cone, and once it's coated, you're going to take a plastic bag just so you don't spill glitter everywhere, and you're just going to pour your favorite color on top of the pine cone so that it comes out looking like this. Now that I have finished making my glitter pine cones, it's time for me to decorate the nightstand next to my bed. So I'm just adding this wooden slab to it that I got from Hobby Lobby. I think it was like $3. And then I'm adding a cute pumpkin that I got from the dollar store. A book that I'm reading. It's called The Man God Has For You. You guys should definitely check that out. I'm adding this cute mason jar candle and a couple of fall fake leaves and the pine cones that we just made, just to give it a little more decoration. fall, y'all. It's fall. Hey, it's fall. Alrighty, my loves, that is all that I have for you today. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for your girl. Please comment, share, subscribe, because there is more fall videos where this came from. I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye!